Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasir Rahman, your Math Tech Master. This is the second part of the reinforcement of Unit 1 and Unit 2. I hope you have subscribed the channel so far. If not, please do subscribe the channel because we are going to learn a lot of things on this channel, including the mathematics and the ICT. Okay, let's move towards our questions. And हमारा जो next question था, that is fill in the missing numbers. This is very easy question which is about the equivalence of the numbers. We just have to equal the fractions in this case. Now we can see that 2 over 3 is equals to the one part of the numerator of the fraction is missing, but we can find out that the 3 two times, if we multiply 3 by 2 we will get 6. So we can multiply in the equivalence of the fraction, we obviously multiply the same numerator and the denominator. So when we will multiply 2 by 2, it will become 4. Same is the case if we look at the number. If 2 3 times 6, so 3 3 times 9, the number will work just like that. The next number 3 4 times 12, so 2 4 times 8. Now we can notice that it is just a table of 2 and 3, so we can write down the next numbers by counting the tables. Okay, in the second case, there is a little bit difference. The table has a one jump because 1 3 times 3, so 4 3 times 12. Obviously, 4 5 times 20, so we will jump 5 times. So 1 5 times 5. Now we have understood 1 3 5 7 9. These numbers are in sequence. So we can add the sequence by writing the next numbers 11, 13 and 15, 20, 24, 28. Oh, sorry. We have done one mistake. Have you noticed that we had to jump 1, 4 7 times 28, 4 9 times 36, 4 13 times 52. The next number 7 2 times 14. Okay, so 5 2 times 10. Okay, 5 3 times 15. So we have got our sequence. So this is just a simple table 21, 28, 42 and 56. So 5 10 in the table of 5, we can easily complete the table. So 3 2 times 6, 4 8 2 times 16. Okay, we have found the sequence because 8 2 times, 8 3 times, 8 4 times 32. So 3 2s are 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Same is the case, we can write down the table of 8. So this was our next question, question number 5. Let's move to the question number 6, where we have to equalize the fractions. Equalizing the fraction is very easy. We can apply one butterfly method, which is very easy over here. For example, if it is 5 over 15 and 1 over 3, we have these two fractions. We can make a butterfly like this with the values. Now, using the butterfly method, 5 multiplied by 3, use the multiplication. So it will be 15. 15 ones are 15. On the both sides, you can say this 15 will be multiplied by this one and this 5 will be multiplied by this one, and the answer will be written on the top of their values. So both sides have 15, so we can say these numbers are equal. In the second question, we can say it is 4 over 6 and 8 over 10. Okay, 6 8 times 48, 4 times 10 4 times 40. So which number is greater? 48. So we will add the 48 into it. 7 6 are 42, 16 6 3s are 48. So this one is greater. 23s are 60, 12 5s are 60. Both are equal. So we can add the equal sign. Okay, 9 2s are 18. 18 1 times 18, so these are equal. Okay, 9 over 4. So 427 times, or we can simplify the fraction to make it easy. 3 9 times 3 5 times. Now 5 4 times 45 and 4 9 times 36. We can see the 45 is bigger. 12 5s are 60, 8 4s are 48. So this one is greater. 4 over 10. Okay, we can remove this, simplify this number by cutting the 0 at the right side. The both sides are 4 over 10. So these are equal. So 2 21s are 42, 7 6 are 42, both are equal. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 18 9 times 162. So which one is greater? Obviously this one. So we will simply write down the number like this. Okay, I hope now you can easily compare two fractions using the butterfly method, or you can say simply cross multiply the denominator and numerator of the fractions. चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, विच इज क्वेश्चन बेसिकली क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. The word problems are very simple in these top two units. The first one is like John paid a cash of 700,000 to the Ali traders if he buys 10 bikes for 545,000 and 15 cycles for this. How much cash he will receive back? Okay, so we can easily find out that he has bought the objects by paying 545,000 and 135,000. We will simply add these numbers and it will be 680,000. So we will simply subtract 700,000 minus 680,000. So it is very simple. We have got 20,000 rupees. Don't forget to write this unit with the answers. Now, a shopkeeper sells 325,000 oranges in 1 week, 240,000 oranges in the second week, and 235,000 in the next week. How many oranges have been sold in together? What to do? Simply add all three numbers. So you will get 800,000 oranges. Ali printed 210 stickers on a sticker sheet. Okay, how many stickers are in total? 210. Each sheet had 10 stickers. How many sheets have been used? Okay, how many sticker sheets did she use? So we will simply divide the number by 10 and the answer will be 21. A laptop cost $470. 5 printers cost 100 times as much as laptop. What is the cost of printers? So the cost is 100 times. So what is the 100 times of 470? Simply add these two zeros in after the number. So we will get $47,000. An elephant weighs 8,000 kgs. Its mass is 1,000 times that an eagle. So it means the mass of elephant is 8,000 and the eagle's mass is 1. Okay, but the elephant's mass is 1,000 times of eagle. So eagle is smaller now, so we will divide for going to the smaller unit. How much do the eagle weigh? Obviously 1,000, 8,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 8. Now Mr. Hashim saves $2,000 in 1 month. How much does he save in 1 year? How many months are in 1 year? Can anybody tell me? Yes, absolutely right. There are 12 months. So we will simply multiply this 2000 by 12 and it will be $24,000 a year. I hope the word problems are not a problem now and we can easily cover them. The next type of question we have, that is about the equivalence, where the percentage, fraction and decimal are equal to each other. We know that percentage means out of 100. So 10% means 10 out of 100. Have we not written it in the fraction already? Yes, it is in the fraction. So whenever we have a percentage and we want to change that percentage into fraction, we can simply add over 100 to convert or change it into the fraction. So, is it the final answer? Yes, it is the final answer, but we have one option that we can simplify the values because the 10 and 100 can be simplified. The answer can be 1 over 10 too. Now, changing the decimal, the percentages into the decimal, it is same like dividing by 100. Whenever we want to change any percentage into decimal, it is just like dividing the number by 100. So when we divide the number by 100, क्या करते थे हम? याद आया? We did it in the last video. We have to jump 2 times backward. So our decimal point is here. So we will move 2 step backward and it will be 0.1. Now in the second question, we have been given the 0.2, the decimal, and we have to find the fraction and percentage. Okay, how difficult is it is to find out the percentage and the fraction from the decimal? We have a number 0.2. So we will simply add, इसके नीचे हम एक line लगाएंगे for the over to change it into fraction. जहां पे हमारा डेसिमल था वहां पे हम लिख देंगे 1 और उसके राइट में जितने नंबर्स भी लिखे हैं, जितने डिजिट्स भी लिखे हैं, we will add 0. So it will be 2 over 10. So we can say 2 over 10 is the fractional form of this number. अच्छा, अब हम इसको simplify कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can simplify it. It can also be 1 over 5. Okay, now if we want to change it into the percentage, how can we change it? Now for the percentage, we have discussed it is 2 over 10 now, but we want to change it into the percentage. So how can we change it into the percentage? For the percentage, we need to make the denominator as 100 because the percentage is out of 100. So we will multiply the fraction with 10 to make it out of 100. When it is out of 100, we can write it as 20%. So you can say 20%. Same is the case, you can say 3 over 10. It will be multiplied by 10 to change into the percentage. It will be 30%. But if the fraction has 10 as decimal, there is 1 0 in the 10. So 3 divided by 10 is equals to 0.3. So rest of the things can go like this. 0.4, it will be 5 over 10 or 1 over 2, it will be 50%. It will be 3 over, so we will multiply it by 20. It will be 0.6 or 60%. Same is the case, it will be 7 over 10 or 0.7. 0.8 will be changed into 80%, or we can simply say if it is 0.8, we can jump the decimal 2 steps to the right to change it into the percentage. So we can get 80% of it. So it can also be 8 over 10 or 4 over 5. 0.9 and 90%. Okay, 25%. So we can write 25 over 100. We can cut it and we can change it into 1.5. So 0.25 can also be the number. So 0.34 is always 75% of the number. How is it 75? 3 over 4 multiply by 25 to make it percentage out of 100. So when we have 75 over 100, we can say it is 75%, and we can also divide the number to get its decimal place. There are 2 zeros, so we will count 2 digits and we will add decimal before that, so it will be 0.75. So this is all for unit number 1. I hope you all have enjoyed the mathematics. You have learned all the new concepts and you are ready for your assessment. Best of luck all of you for the unit 1. I will be covering unit 2A in the next video. Till then, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe this channel for learning more about mathematics and ICT. Allah Hafiz.